Welcome to the Creative Electron booth here at SMTA Guadalajara. Delighted to be joined by Giancarlo De La Garcia. Great to see you, Giancarlo.
Hello, Trevor. Good to see you again.
Yeah. So we're seeing you in for the first time with a Creative Electron hat on. Maybe we can start off with that. What is the function you're doing here at Creative Electron, and what do you hope to bring to them?
Yeah, excellent. Well, first of all, welcome to the Guadalajara, second day of the show. Very excited to be here. I've been about half a year already with the Creative Electron. Mm-hmm. I'm the director, business unit director for electronics at Creative Electron. So we're based out of San Diego, as you know.
Yep.
We do have manufacturing in San Diego, and we have manufacturing in Asia also.
Right. So you opened up a larger facility earlier in the year down there in San Diego, basically to cater for this joint venture that you're doing with Unicomp. Mm-hmm. So let's talk a little bit about that and how that's progressed. Unicomp, just to sort of remind our viewers, is probably the largest manufacturer of X-ray systems, certainly in China, if not the world. So they've done a tie-up with Creative Electron to manufacture machines in America for the US market.
Yeah, and that's the business unit that I'm running, and we started with. We do have a new building in San Diego in the San Marcos area, which is called the Center of Excellence, where we're going to have a large demo facility, but not only for Creative Electron machines or Unicomp, but for other partners that can come to this demo room, multi-partner, so people can see different types of technology in the area.
Is it all going to be test related or?
Test related, SMT related mostly. I mean, we already have some partnerships with SMT equipment and inspection, AOI inspection equipment that is going to be coming up really soon here to the light.
Okay. So you're starting to manufacture a couple of the Unicomp brands or machines in San Diego. Which ones specifically?
Yeah, the first ones of the batch. I mean, as you know, the idea is to bring in technology and start manufacturing in San Diego along with the normal Creative Electron machines. The first one that's coming in from Asia is the one on my right, which is the Novus system. Standalone X-ray system with a lot of AI features, a lot of software that facilitates just taking an image, plain and simple, very quick, and with super high resolution. Right.
So it's got automatic programming?
Automatic programming, step and repeats. And one thing that I like to highlight is that we're selling XWorks San Diego, and it's a 3-year warranty on the system, complete, including the X-ray tube.
Wow. Yeah. Wow, so that's interesting. That's interesting. So you're and once you start manufacturing these in San Diego, what's the lead time going to be on ordering a machine?
Well, even currently, our lead times are 4 weeks.
Really?
Yes, on the system. We do have systems. Right now, we're going to have systems in stock in 2 weeks. So it's in between 2 and 4. The standard machines are like the one on my left, which is the Prime system, has a 6 to 8 week lead time, depending on the options and all that. XWorks San Diego, 100%.
Okay. So what is the, just to come back to this system here, what is the chip configuration on it and resolution on it?
Yeah, this is a 130 kilovolt system, but 500 milliamps. So it gives us about 60 watt of power penetration, high resolution imaging, 2 micron focal spot size. You can see the pictures on the top monitor. Double 4K monitor, so it allows you to just highlight the defect really quick, and with a simple button, single button.
Excellent. And full CT.
Correct. Yeah, you can add CT to the machine, by the way. Yeah, that's a good one. CT or planar CT.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the other machine that you're manufacturing in San Diego is the reel counter, the component counter system.
Component counter, reel counter. You have the components in a reel. You want to count for inventory control how many you have. You can count 1 reel or you can count 4 reels in a matter of 8 seconds.
Right. Yeah. Right. Okay. And that'll integrate with most of the tower systems that are out there. And
it integrates to most of the tower systems out there, like any standard reel counter, but it's just very, very simple to use on the software.
Great. Well, it certainly sounds like things are going in the right direction for you. Speaking to Bill earlier, and he was saying that you've had a fantastic year so far in terms of sales and things. So.
Yeah, correct. I mean, we're trying to build up in what we have in the U.S. I mean, we're super busy in the U.S. thanks to the tariff in a way, because we're manufacturing in the U.S. And then we're bringing that into Mexico now. That's our next step. Yeah.
You're going to bring. So you're going to manufacture in the U.S. to bring into Mexico.
For now, yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. I mean, and for the machines that you're building in San Diego, the Unicomp ones, are there any components that you're actually bringing in from China that are still going to be subject to tariffs?
Yeah, a few components. I mean, we're piecing, but the end manufacturing will be San Diego. Some of the components come directly from main factory in China.
Right. Okay, great. Well, it sounds, as I said before, it sounds like everything's going in the right direction. So thank you very much for the update.
Thank you very much. Good to see you.
Okay, thank you.